Happy birthday!
Thank you. And after he's drunk now, he will be absolutely useless to you lot for the rest of the night. So there you go. He's going to get a good night's sleep, if nothing else. Right then, lads, where are my mug-offs? I know they've been floating around. How many are around? Yeah, I can see all four of you. That's good. Right then, mug-offs, I need you up as well. Dear, oh dear, oh dear. I really can't believe we're going to do this, but hey-ho.